best thought activities. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. We about to do what would you do type of video. A few people wrote me on YouTube and it was like telling me their situations and like relationship wise. So I'm going to be telling you guys what would I do in certain situations. As you all know, I am single. I'm somebody that I praise being single for some reason, because every time I find somebody, I just feel like I'll be wasting my time and I'll be wasting their time. So in this video, I'm gonna try to give some advice, but child, I don't even know, like, you're taking the advice from a single person. That's all I'm trying to say. Like, you know, I'm learning so much stuff about me and I am a more stronger person. So I already moisturized my face and put on primer, but for some odd reason my face is just so ashy, like I gotta put on more. Oh my god, you guys, I nared some of my face area. I don't even know why, because I didn't even really have hair there. I put nair on it and it kind of like burned me a little bit. Kind of made hair dark. I don't like that. But anyways, let's get started. Let's read the first one. The first one is pretty interesting. I was just like, girl, let me show y'all. This is mad long, okay? So I'm gonna read it to you guys. It goes, I need help. So I have a boyfriend of 11 months. We hit it off and we moved in together recently. The first 3 months of our relationship were very sweet. He was super duper passionate about me, always gave me affection, and was very romantic. He isn't like that very much anymore. I don't know what happened. It's my first relationship ever. I heard of a honeymoon phase from people online, so I guess that's what we were doing when it all started. I don't know. He also has a child. She's about 2 years old from his previous relationship. He always gives her hugs and kisses and tell her that he loves her literally every time he gets her from his ex's house for the first time with her, which is understandable because that's his baby. Kids need love and affection, but I can't help but feel sad when I see it happening, because I never get treated like that, you know, like getting a lot of hugs and kisses, and he barely tells me that he loves me. I always have to say it first before he ever say it, and when we get intimate, I'm always just sucking him off, and he barely touches me when I do this for him, and it really upsets me when I would ask him to put in some work too. He would do it, but he would finish super quick and I wouldn't even have gotten close to orgasm. I know he works 12-hour shifts and he watches his kid for a few days, so I can't expect him to do me all the time, but the only time I ask is when he's energetic and seems wide awake and well rested. But it's like he doesn't even try to please me when we're doing that kind of stuff. He used to take his time and make me feel good, but he's not like that much anymore. It's super upsetting. I talked to him about it. He apologizes a lot and started giving me tons of hugs, and he would touch me more when we're being intimate with each other, but it all stopped again and I don't know what to do. It's going back to how it was, me just sucking him off and being the only one saying I love you first, and it makes me so upset. Like it's not important to him. Like it's not important to him to give me kisses or hugs or anything. Please help. Girl, first off, I would just say you guys been together for 11 months, going on a year. I would say he likes you, but he likes you, of course, because he wouldn't waste his time. Men usually like being around females, and I just want to say, you sucking him off all the time and he's not doing nothing back is already a red flag. Already a red flag. If you guys haven't, you know, S3X, I would say be more outgoing than just, you know, giving him top. Be more outgoing. Put on something sexy. Make him feel like you, if he lose you, somebody else gonna get you and it's gonna be the best thing ever. Like, you gotta sometimes men get tired of the same thing, you know. Yeah, he enjoys it obviously because he keep asking you for more top, but your mouth hurts, you know. Like, why do you want to keep giving him top and he's not even doing anything for you? And then when you guys do have sex, he's just, you know, pleasing himself pretty much. You want to get pleased too. He should be considerate of you. So speak up a little bit more about your situation with him. Let him know how you feel. Of course, still do your part by being a good girlfriend and all, but oh man, this one is a tough one, because men and me, if I was in your shoes, I would not deal with him. I would like cut him off real quick. I would really just start giving him space so that he can feel something's wrong, especially if you're speaking up about it and he's acting like, oh, boo boo the fool, still doing the same thing all the time. You need to just give him some space. That's what you need to do, and see what happens. Like, give him some space and just be more communicative. Of course, always like text him and stuff like that, but just back off a little bit, because obviously he don't care about your needs. And women has needs too, just like men. Like, you know, if you're pleasing him and he's not pleasing you back, what's the point of the relationship? I would say do more outgoing things. I know you probably love being around him, but just start doing more spontaneous things. Start being more outgoing in the relationship. Start finding things to do, even if it's with the kid. Start going out more. Like, if y'all go to the park, you could be a little submissive at the park with him. Or like, I'm only saying this because I know you say you like being with him, so start being a little bit more. Start doing more, pretty much. Start doing things out of your comfort zone, you know, just so it can save y'all relationship. But if that don't work, just back off. That's what I would do. I would just back off from jump, because first of all, if you feel like he's giving his kid more attention than you, as he should, because you know that's his kid, that's his bloodline, but you shouldn't be jealous about that anyways, because that's his kid. You should be happy, because if y'all have a kid together, you know how he will treat the kid that y'all have, you know. That's a different story. Don't even pay that any mind, because that's his kid. He should be like that. Don't get deep into that part. Just try to play your part in the relationship and try to just be the best girlfriend you can be. If it don't work, back off a little bit and see how he reacts to it. If he allow you to just back off, then you know that he didn't really care for the relationship like you did. But back off for your own reasons, but still be communicative with him. Like, still let him know how you feel. Let him know that you need some space, because he's not doing his part pretty much, you know. Oh, I feel like I look crazy right now. Oh my god, I look so white. But I'm gonna fix that in a little bit with my contouring. Yeah, girl, that is a tough one, because no girl want to feel like they're wasting their time in a relationship. Like, you want to feel good when you're in a relationship. So just take vacations, go out to eat more, and when you go out to eat, be very affectionate. Just because he's not affectionate doesn't mean you don't have to be. Start dressing different to make yourself feel good. Don't do it for him, but to make yourself feel good, because already he's not giving you much affection. So just start looking good, start smelling good, start doing things for you, and he's gonna start paying more attention to you. I promise. Like, start moving a little different. That's all I'm gonna say, is just start moving different, and you're gonna see how he just start drawing more to you. You know, don't be sorry for being a dope woman at the end of the day. Don't keep apologizing to him about, no, you said he keep apologizing, but don't feel sorry, because you're a dope woman at the end of the day, you know. Don't feel sorry. Just talk to him, and if he can't understand, he gotta go. There's a lot of men in the sea. You can find somebody that's gonna appreciate you a lot more. Just take your time with him, because you love him. But if he's wasting your time, go find someone else, or start taking care of you so that you can feel good, because you can get very depressed because you're not getting affection, or you wasting your time with the wrong person, you know, for so many years, and y'all going on 1 year, so you don't want it to get worse. So I wish you the best of luck, and just keep going. Let me know how it goes with it, you know, if you cut him off or not. But yeah, Somebody was like, you should go out with an athlete. They have way more of a future. Anyways, on one of my girl talks. Somebody said, what do it mean if your girlfriend keep liking your friend's posts? Girl, like, I don't know. I think that's a boy. If your girlfriend keep liking your friend's posts, first of all, if your girlfriend keep liking your friend's posts, that's thought activities, okay? I don't even want to go there. Like, that's really thought activities. Like, why is you liking my friend's posts? I would cut her off, because I wonder, like, do you talk to her about it? You know, like, why is she doing that? If that's your girlfriend, why are you liking my friend's posts? Do you like them? Like, I'm a Scorpio, so we get a little jealous here and there. So I would be like, why are you liking her posts? Like, you like them or something? Or, I don't know. That kind of sounds insecure a little bit. And you don't want to come off insecure. But if your girlfriend is liking your friend's posts, it's not a good thing. Unless they're like really close. If she's close to your homeboys, you hang out with them every day, or y'all all grew up together, that's different. But that's not a good thing if she's liking his posts. I would try to talk to her about it, and I would be like, yo, on some real, if you keep liking their posts, you can go ahead and be with them, because what are you entertaining my friends for? Like, I don't know. That's just the Scorpio in me. I would say that. All right, the next one, somebody wrote, they be coming for me. It was talking about why my boobs always out. All right, somebody wrote, I have a problem. My best friend and her boyfriend is always complimenting me, and we always talk. I don't want to send him mixed signals if he does like me, so thank you. So your best friend, boyfriend keep complimenting you pretty much, because you wrote your best friend and him keep complimenting you. So if it's both of them complimenting you, that's good. That's fine. But if he's complimenting you too much and he's like, oh, you look good today, you know, or if he's doing it when she's not there, that's a different thing. Watch out for him, because some men, they like to prey on girls, and especially the friends, you know, because they love to say, oh, how girls like to cheat and all this stuff. So they like to prove a point on that. Guys would like to prove a point to their friends, you know, so they'll start complimenting you. They'll start, like, you know, that's some guys. That sounds very immature too, for him to be doing that. If he's complimenting you without your friend, your best friend, that's a problem. Tell your best friend about it. And yeah, I would tell her, so that she don't feel away when she finds out that he do like you. I would tell her about it, like, hey, your man, sometimes he will compliment me, you know, especially if it's when she's not around. Let her know, have that conversation with her, but don't try to have that conversation so that y'all can have a fallout or nothing. Try to talk to her about it, you know. Don't flirt back with him, you know. Play your part as a best friend, because that's your best friend's boyfriend. You don't want to go there, okay? Somebody said, my plug's girlfriend keep coming around while we're handling things, always making small talks, always making sure I get a good look at her. I don't be saying nothing, but it's like I can feel it. She's already married and dealing with the plug. She like bold as fuck, but low-key at the same time. That's why I came to watch this video. This video is on point. All right, thank you for the compliment, but that's your plug's girlfriend and she's married to the plug. I will mind my business, okay? I would definitely mind my business, because you don't want to mess up your connects with your plug. And you know, plugs be having guns and all that, so I'm assuming y'all like in this whole drug dealing thing in your neighborhood. So I don't know what type of plug. It could be a sneaker plug, it could be any type of thing like that, but just be careful with her. And she's married, so it's a sin already to be. All right, you guys, so my camera definitely died. I'm on my phone right now. I feel like my phone look very ashy. I don't like this look. Yeah, so the girl is married. You don't want to be like doing that to her. Yeah, she's looking at you. Girls could be looking because the guy look good, but you don't know really like if she really wants you or not, you know. And you don't want to look dumb too, so I would just mind my business and act like she ain't doing nothing wrong. I wouldn't even go there, because that's your plug, and you know, like y'all be saying bros before hoes, you know, so be careful with that one, because at the end of the day, she's married, and she would probably probably lie or like take up for her man or something like that. If she gets in trouble, she'll probably try to cover herself, because at the end of the day, she's married, and you don't want your plug to find out. So just mind your business with it. If it was like a family or a best friend or something like that, I would talk to them about it, like, yo, your girl keep looking at me, am I bugging? It'll probably start a confrontation though, but be careful. Just be careful, because it's your plug and you don't want no drama. You don't want no drama. Just mind your business, and yeah, that's what I would do. I don't like the look of this. Like, that's a big difference from my camera to my phone. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna just finish up my makeup. This is how my makeup came out. I don't know, my camera is looking so much better. I wish it was looking like that earlier. This is how my makeup came out. It came out really good, especially in this mirror. Like, I look so brown. Let me show y'all. I look so brown. Like, look at that. Y'all see that? Y'all see what I see? I look so brown. So here I look a little ashy, but right here I look so brown. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. This was more of a like, what would I do in certain situations? I know I only did like, I think 4 situations, but guys, I'm single for a reason, okay? It's like the best thing being single right now. I mean, God will send me somebody, you know, for me, somebody that matches me, that just, you know, make me want to cherish someone else.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
This was a pretty interesting video. I hope that you did enjoy it. Like I said before, I am single and I enjoy being single, so I'm just telling you my perspectives on what would I do in situations that you're in. So please comment down below if you're in any situations, and I'll do another video like this. When I read these things, I just be like, wow, you know, like, I wish nothing but the best for you. So I'm gonna try to give you my best advice, of course. And if you're going through anything, you know, pray about it, go to God about it, and seek out for help, of course. Try to make situations better and not worse in whatever way that you can. If you have to get out of a situation, make sure you do that, because your life matters, okay? Your life freaking matters. And say that to yourself a lot as an affirmation. My life matters, okay? If a man isn't making me feel good, my life matters, especially if you're doing the most in the relationship. But the man have to meet you halfway too. So if he's not pleasing you, if he's not making you feel good, you gotta go. I'm so sorry about that. My friend just called me and interrupted this entire video. So I hope the transition from my camera to my phone wasn't too much of a big deal, you know. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know any situations that you're going through. Don't forget to pray about it, and be great out there, guys. I love you so much. If no one ever told you that they loved you, you are so worthy. You are so beautiful. You are, you don't even understand how much you matter on this earth. You need to set an example. You need to be the best person you can be out there, you know. Put a smile on your face, smile at people, tell people that they look beautiful, you know, compliment others. It makes me feel good when I do that. It's just a good thing to do, you know. So please, guys, be great out there, and I'll see you in my next one.